Hey guys, Gman from Texas here. This is a super short video. First of all, thank you to all the subscribers on my new channel. What happens is that I was out in Lake Fork, lots of stumps over there, and I hit something and bent my propeller shaft. This time, look at that, comes right off. Comes right off. And this thrust washer here seems to be okay. Don't see any. So I took it to Service Marine here in Emory, Texas. Now, they ain't paying me or nothing to do this, but if they did a good job, I don't mind putting them on my video. So here's a new prop. I'm gonna take it out to the lake now and give it a try. Just had the shaft, the propeller shaft fixed by the Service Marine, and we'll see if they did a good job. Very choppy today, so I'm not going to go super fast, but I want to see if the vibration on the motor stopped. Here we go. It's safe to say that it did a great job. No vibration whatsoever, like factory. All right, test is over. I'm going back in. Well, there we go, guys. Made it back on time. Started raining, so I made it. Anyway, the test was great. No vibration in the engine. That means that shaft is nice and straight. Saved me a lot of time and money. Like I said, these people are not sponsoring me or paying me or anything for doing this video, but somebody does something good for me, and I don't mind putting them on my video. That's Service Marine in Emory, Texas. Thanks again to those guys who are subscribing to my new channel. I really appreciate it. So until next time, this is the G-Man from Texas saying peace, y'all.